Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, Question 5. How would capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor be affected if the distance of separation of its plates is decreased? It will A. Increase in value, B. Decrease slightly, C. Remain unchanged, and D. Drop to 0. Now we're asked to describe how the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor will be affected if the distance of separation between its plates is decreased. Now the capacitance of a capacitor, that's a parallel plate capacitor, is inversely proportional to the distance of separation between the plates of this capacitor. And this can be seen in the relation where you have capacitance C is equal to the constant multiplied by the area all over the distance of separation. Now you will see that this capacitance is inversely proportional to the distance. That is, C, the capacitance is inversely proportional to the distance of separation between these plates. Now because of this inverse proportion, when there's an increase in the distance, that is, when you have an increase in the distance of separation between these plates, you have a decrease in capacitance. But when there's a decrease in distance between the plates of this capacitor, there will be an increase in the capacitance. Now the question says, how would the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor be affected if the distance of separation is decreased? Now when the distance of separation is decreased, due to the inverse proportion, the capacitance will increase. The capacitance will increase, and this is option A. So it will increase in value. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos.